The kitten saves the zombie mother cat. Collision. Zombie. The police, a small, lost kitten roams the empty streets after a mysterious virus turns most animals into zombies. The kitten finds a terrifying zombie cat, but something feels familiar. It's the kitten's mother. Armed animal control. Police storm in, ready to eliminate all infected animals, including the mother cat. Just as they aim, the kitten bravely leaps in front of her mother, refusing to move. The mother cat, seeing her kitten in danger, fights the virus inside her. Her eyes briefly return to normal. The police witness the transformation. Maybe love can reverse the infection. Will they find a cure in time? Or is it already too late? Tell us by commenting below the video, and to learn more, like this video and subscribe to the channel.